Hello everybody, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Desmos. So a lot of you have used Desmos in the past, so this is just a quick tutorial for those of you who need a little support. So you're going to be creating your graph on Desmos. So the first thing I'd like you to do is title your graph. So mine's already titled. How you would do it is you would click on this, and yours is probably like a new blank one. It wouldn't have a title here. So I already typed in temperature lab. Like if I clicked on it again, it would want me to do that. I'd hit save, then it would look like this. And once it clicked back in here into the white, it goes back to what it looked like before. So the next thing you're going to do is you are going to create an XY table or a data graph or a data table. So you're going to hit the plus and you're going to click on table. So your X is going to be your time and your Y is going to be your temperature. We have one issue with using this for time. So for example, if I put in 30 seconds and it would look like this, and if I put in like 1 minute and 30 seconds, I've got these right here. So it does not like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify the data table a little bit. And 30 seconds is a half a minute. So I'm going to type in 0.5. Then 1 minute. Now 1.5 minutes or 1 minute and 30 seconds is 1.5 minutes. Then I'm going to type in 2. Then I'm going to type in 2.5 and 3 and 3.5. And I'm going to keep doing this as far as I need to go to get all my data on this table. So some of you might be done with the lab in 9 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on how hot your flame is for your Bunsen burner. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to record your temperatures. Remember, it's in Celsius. So 0 degrees Celsius is freezing, 100 is boiling. So it's not going to start at 0 because your water was not too cold. But it might have been at 15. And then it might have been at, I don't know, maybe it was at 19 after the next minute. Then maybe it was at 24. And then maybe it was at 32 because it's really starting to heat up. Then maybe 40. And then maybe 51. And then it keeps going up. So keep going up all the way until you've entered all of your data. So one of the things that you should notice is all the dots are over here. And that's the nice thing about using Desmos. So one of the other things I want you to do before you take a screenshot of this is zoom in. And you're not going to be able to zoom in much farther than this. So what I want you to do is I want you to connect these dots. Now to do that, I'm going to hover over the circle right here. And I'm just going to hold down for just a little bit. And this is what I get. So if I go to lines and I click on that, and I can change the color, and heck, if you even want dashed lines, if you want dotted lines, if you want a solid line, I don't really care what you want for those. And if you want to change the color, you can. So once you do that, click outside of it and see how it's colored. What I want you to do then is I want you to take a screenshot. I want you to zoom in as far as you can. And again, when you look at this scale, this is 20 minutes. You might have 10 minutes. And I can probably bring this down and I can probably zoom in a little bit more about here. So you're probably going to have data that's going to cover somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So you would take a screenshot of this area. So when I look at your screenshot, I don't want it to be, a screenshot where it looks like this, where you can hardly tell what it is. You want to go in as far as you can. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your lab, and it says, do not forget to give your graph a title. So did you do that? And then once done, take a screenshot and insert below this paragraph. So you're going to copy and paste it right here. Then if you're the one who's creating this for your group, I want you to share this picture with your team. So you can email each other the picture, or if one of you puts just the screenshot, if you put the screenshot in your Google Doc or Google Drive, you can actually share the screenshot with the rest of your group, and then they can insert it here as well. And then once you do that, you're going to finish up the lab by answering these questions. So again, if you have any questions, let me know and make sure you follow the directions. Thank you.